What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys.
Let me back this thing up first. It's like a tank. What is up, guys? It's a good day, actually. We got Daily Driven Exotics out here with us. So we're about to hit up a gas station and record their cars there. It's gonna be a good morning. Daily Driven Exotics decided to stop by here in Sacramento at our shop. This is actually David's car, McLaren. They just got it wrapped. And then, I don't know whose red Ferrari that is. Somebody just showed up.
Probably some noob.
That's a sick Ferrari. I'm just loving these chips right now.
It's a little close there, bud. Guys, we just kidnapped Damon from
No, you didn't. I'm in the G-Wagen with door handles.
So what's happening?
We're going on a trip.
That all-wheel drive really pulls, like, you know? That thing looks sick. It's a good car, like, out of the box from Lamborghini. It's so reliable and so much performance.
We can sap on the truck.
Okay, you ready? On 3. We'll race.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. You cheated! You went full speed over the speedboat! Not always open to drive.
He's just mad he can't do donuts in it.
Well, no, I could do donuts in it. The downside is I don't think you can.
Oh!
Whoa! Challenge accepted?
Look how nervous he is right now.
I said we need insurance to try.
You're good. The downside though is like when this thing kicks out, then the front end starts to pull, and so it's almost like traction control. Like it cuts you off. Like to control this in a slide is not as you know predictable and easy in a tight space. You get a big open spot, it's a lot easier. Yeah. But you guys don't really specialize in these cars. This was your first exotic.
Yes.
Your worst experience?
Well, the best experience is the G-Wagen because I love them. But I'm saying I had the worst experience with my first G-Wagen, you know. So some people wouldn't go back to a G-Wagen after that, but I did because G-Wagen's life, you know.
So you
Dave knows.
Hell yeah.
you told
Don't leave me hanging.
you went.
Damn!
I was looking on the side.
So you travel, you get the G-Wagon, you put some love into it, you wrapped it.
Yeah.
You wrapped it yourself.
Yeah.
Wrapping a G-Wagon sucks. It's really hard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know?
All the hours. Oh yeah, I've done like 5 or 6. You do all the hours of wrapping it. You put front end conversion on it.
Yes. I converted everything, new rims,
Yeah.
exhaust system, which completely ripped off.
And then
with the axle.
What happened?
So what happened was, I stopped by Starbucks, got a cup of coffee,
Yeah.
right? And I'm driving with a cup of coffee. I didn't get a taste of it yet. I forgot what it was. I think it was like a toasted white mocha or something.
Nice.
You drive a G-Wagon and drive a toasted white mocha. You're like one step away from being a housewife yourself.
You're yoga mat.
Yeah, where's your yoga mat?
It's not with me right now. So. But I was driving. It was like around 4 a.m. whatever. So I had one hand on the steering wheel, one hand on the coffee. My tire went out, back one, and then I went kind of on the gravel road. I was maybe going like 45.
Busted. So your tire blew out?
Yes, my back tire blew out, and I went on the gravel road, and I couldn't control the car on the gravel road. There was an electric pole, so the first thing I did was hit that.
So it went off the side of the road. You were on a paved road,
Yeah.
and you went like 2 wheels would dipped off onto the shoulder.
Yes. Yeah. The paved road was literally like 2 feet away from the roads. That road is like a one lane here, one way there. There's train tracks on the side. It's one of those roads, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I went on the pavement pretty much and hit an electric pole, and then hit 2 more with my back. I think you'll see in pictures. I'll send it to you. And then after that, I think I rolled it. I don't know how I rolled. I was busy. I was in the car, with coffee. But yeah. So no, after I hit the pole, the airbag literally blew into my face. The steering wheel airbag, and then it was dust everywhere, and I didn't know I was slipping, honestly. And the way I was looking, like where I started and when it ended, it was like maybe a good, damn, I don't even know. What's the distance? Would be like to that green truck. That's how long I was like.
Really?
Yeah. So and then
That's far to go at 45.
Don't worry about it.
Weird.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So.
So you weren't hurt.
No, I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, so I ended up in the trunk.
First lesson, you guys. Tell him.
Always wear your seatbelt.
Always wear your seatbelt. But because I took it off, it's because I had to I was drinking my coffee with this hand, so the seatbelt. You know,
It's all about the coffee.
That's an awful excuse.
It's an awful excuse.
So yeah, after I rolled it, I was like in the trunk somewhere. My coffee was empty, which is the sad part of the story.
I lost a latte.
Yeah.
Rode off a G-Wagon, but I lost that $5 white chocolate mocha.
Yeah. I hopped out the back window, which was I think it was this one. I think right here.
Shattered.
Yeah, because it was like it doesn't shatter. These windows don't even break. The window actually flew out with the rubber, and it was laying right there. It wasn't even broken.
Really?
Yeah, this thing was not. I don't even know why.
Careful.
I can actually see it.
Like the Tesla trick.
It flew out with the rubber. It was just there laying. It wasn't even broken. That's the thing. It just flew out. You know. So I hopped out, and that's when I noticed my car was like flipped and shit. And
You said you there's nobody around, but there were like 3 railroad workers?
so there was nobody around. There was maybe like 3 to 4 railroad workers. They were doing some kind of I don't know what they were doing there. They had 1 truck, 4 guys. They were all standing right by me. I flipped right by them, so they saw the whole thing. I hopped out. I'm just standing. Yeah, they basically asked me like, "You're good." They were more.
You
confused.
good?
They were more confused than I was.
You crawled out of the back window.
Hey, bro, you good?
Looking for your white mocha. Anybody see a white mocha?
They were more confused than I was, to be honest.
That's crazy, man.
Then the cops came, the firefighter came. I
Yeah.
guess they checked my blood pressure, even though I said I don't need it. But they said by law they have to, and they sent me a bill. Like yeah.
The United States.
So, yeah, but I mean, they had the same story. The cops asked them what happened. They said we were working. Next thing you know, something's rolling by us, and that's it.
At 45.
Yeah, 45 miles an hour.
Well, we're glad you're okay.
Gravel road, heavy car, doesn't stop. So yeah, 45.
That's a crazy, like, I got my first G-Wagen. I destroyed it. Now I have a passion for rebuilding G-Wagons.
Maybe that's why I have a passion to rebuild it.
What's going on? What's going on? Those guys build hot rods down there anyhow. Yeah. Well, that's really crazy. And then all those crazy photos that you showed us, you know, now that you guys have seen how extreme this is, you know. Yeah. And sorry, Ed, our friend, Ed Bullion, we kind of stole a bit of your VinWiki format for this video. It's because we love it so much. All right, guys, what else should we do now?
Let's go pick up your cars.
Let's go pick up the cars.
Oh God. We couldn't find a shark piece. We have to deal with this. Dave signed it. Which Fryer?
Holy shit, he's done it before. There you go.
Sick.
That's fucking stupid. That's cool though.
What's up?
He's taking it wide.
Fonzie, all this space and you decide to park it right there.
I don't know. I'm tired of the streets, man. We up to no good. So Damon brought us out here to this abandoned place. They started building houses and then they quit. And then Damon is gonna do what Damon's good at. And that is...
Okay, but like, how did we not know about this place?
Yeah, we live around here, we never knew
And
about
Damon,
this
for
place.
some freaking reason, does.
He said he Googled it.
Who is it?
Boys, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys.
You guys are actually the first ones I've ever caught, so.
You pulled up and the car was parked, so you haven't caught anybody doing anything.
I just caught you guys up.
Allegedly.
Snitch!
It smells like smoke, though. And you can...
We're smoking.
It smell like diesel. The diesel truck just left. You're snitching now.
Here last night.
No, the diesel truck just left. Smells like diesel.
You'll 6-cylinder non-eco boost.
That's massive.
When you first see it, it's like, holy.
0.3 liter, 730 horsepower.
That's all, huh?
That's it.
Imagine that in your cruiser.
You would catch.
I'd be
You
in
would
trouble,
actually catch people.
Legend.
Treating our not so ghost town as a racetrack.
Yeah, especially, I mean, it's like an all old people community now. So
Yeah, fair enough.
they didn't.
Oh, perfect, Fonzie, just for you.
It's gonna be like, I want no part of that.
Yeah.
But hey, thanks a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Good luck, you guys.
Well.
Have fun.
Coolest cop ever, for real.
Shout out to Rio Vista Police.
I'm moving to Rio Vista, by the way. I'm moving here.
You're moving here? Don't do that. You'll be bored, man.
So the whole day we had fun hanging out with Daily Driven Exotics, Damon and Dan. David, Dave, and Damon. I get their names confused. So they're heading back to LA. We're heading back to Sacramento. I don't know where we are, to be honest, so I can't tell you exactly where we are. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's something different, not rebuilding cars, but tested out the Lamborghini Performance a little bit. You can see, so yeah, we're gonna leave it at that.
So they're doing an outro in their vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, smash the subscribe button, join Daily Driven Exotics, pick up some merch, shop DD.com.
Whatever. True. Hey, we don't have merch to give you, so
What do you mean? Yeah, we do.
This is a special edition.